Are you looking to make a lasting impression with your business card? Look no further than our list of the 10 best business card mockups. From photorealistic environments to minimalist designs, these mockups allow you to showcase your business card in various settings, making it easier than ever to visualize your design in real life. So without further ado, let's dive in. Number 10. Business Card Mockup by Best Project. It's hard to believe that this is a business card mockup and not an original photo. Maybe it's the use of shadows or the range of textures shown, but everything looks so realistic. There are 2 cards in the graphic, which are intended to present each side of a double printed card. But you can also break the rules and include 2 different designs at the same time. Who's gonna stop you? Number 9. Business Card Mockup by Artism Design. This next Photoshop business card mockup is created with a different goal in mind. Rather than superimpose cards in a real-world image, it takes a much simpler approach. The shadows between the split colors and beneath the business cards are a nice touch to a concept that lets content speak for itself. Number 8. Business Card Mockup by Foxy Aff. Have you left a stack of business cards in a pile of fabric by any chance? While such a backdrop might not make much sense in a real-world scenario, the cascading black material in this Photoshop mockup is very attractive. Its free-form curves complement the sharp corners of the cards to give them a rich, professional look. Number 7. Business Card Mockup by QR Design Studio. With 2 business cards laying on a wooden slab, this template provides a simple yet elegant way to present your brand. The Smart Object feature makes it easy to edit and add your own design, while the ability to showcase both sides of your business card or 2 different designs offers added flexibility. Additionally, the subtle sun flares add a warm and inviting feel to your composition. Number 6. Business Card Mockup Volume 16 by Retrobox. If you're just looking to present your business cards in a simple, uncomplicated way, try this kit. It displays a hand holding 2 cards, one with each side of the design. The background is completely blank, leaving all of the visual focus on the cards themselves. Download this pack and attract the attention of possible customers to your business. This video is brought to you by Envato Elements, a library of digital creative assets that will streamline your workflow. From graphic templates and stock photography to motion graphics and royalty-free music, you'll find everything you need to create better projects faster. Sign up today via the link in the description below. Number 5. Realistic Business Card Mockups for EU Size by H3 Design. The number 5 spot on our list features 9 photorealistic mockups in different environments, ensuring that your design looks great in any setting. Whether you want to showcase a stack of business cards or create a minimalist design on a white background, this template has you covered. For a more creative or personal brand, the rustic wooden floor mockup adds a touch of warmth and personality. Number 4. Business Card Mockup by Agata Create. This business card mockup is perfect for crafty or artistic brands looking for a minimalistic design. The business card is placed front and center and is accompanied by daily life objects like a watch and a notebook, giving your brand a relatable and approachable feel. Download this pack and promote your business with this stunning mockup. Number 3. Business Card Mockups V2 by Artimusa Studio. Nothing but business cards to see here. The background is a grid made out of them, while the center space accommodates one large card. It's one of the more creative layouts we've seen, and is a great way to showcase your professional business card design with a modern twist. With 5 different styles available, you can easily change the card to match your brand's look. Number 2. Business Card Mockups by Street D. This collection of photorealistic mockups showcases cards in a variety of stacked positions on table edges and countertops, perfect if you plan on presenting yours in an office environment. The designs can suit multiple types of printouts beyond business cards, including envelope cards and pamphlets. Number 1. Business Card Mockups by Zippy Pixels. Number 1 in our countdown is an all-around value item. The kit comprises 4 high-resolution mock-ups in PSD format, each of which features a hand holding a business card over a blurred natural background. There are 2 vertical and 2 horizontal designs to work with, so you'll always have a stunning display for your business cards. We've hit the end of our countdown of the 10 best Photoshop business card mockups on Envato Elements. Did you have a favorite? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the Envato channel, and click the bell icon so you never miss a new release. We'll be back again soon with more great content. But until then, we've set you up with this video on the right of your screen to watch. Enjoy!